you. All right, welcome everyone. My name is Lohrasp. I'm a data scientist, one of the data scientists with Blackline Safety, and I'm going to be talking about increasing productivity and safety using data science, and just data in general. So what is it? What is data science? The practice of data science is the scientific process of having a hypothesis, gathering data from different sources, and then trying to prove or disprove your theory. That is the entire thing. It's not really complicated. You just get some data and it either proves it or disproves the thing that you think is happening. There we go. So what are we trying to achieve? We're trying to elevate safety rather than you just wearing a PPE and detect gas. We're trying to figure out where might these safety events happen. Who is most probable to have the highest amount of risk? So it takes it more than a reactive thing to a predictive thing, or prescribe, hey, maybe you should take these courses so safety events don't happen to you. Or sorry, gas events don't happen to you. So the way that it works as a whole is that we collect data from different sources, we integrate everything together, we build models based on historical data. So person ABC has had these training courses and never had any alerts, and person D didn't have any training and he has the most safety concerns. We build model on it, build machine learning and AI, and try and extract actionable insights out of those algorithms. So now when it sees these patterns of behavior, it says, oh, hey, there could be a safety thing. And I'll show you a case study at the very end with a real client. The three concrete steps that we take every time that we try to walk anyone through the data science process is, first, we gather your data and we show you what you already collect. There's a lot of people that collect data but haven't even looked at it. So the first step is visualize. The second step is, okay, we see these things happening. How do we try and make you safer? That's prescribing how to change behavior. And if that is successful, you've basically proved your hypothesis. So now we can predict when safety events happen. The data sources that come together could be anywhere from the G7 that I'm wearing to learning management software, EHS software, project management software. They could come from anywhere. As long as there's data, we can combine them. And now I'm going to just show you the case study and go through the example. We heard from not just one client, but multiple clients that they think if supervisors are not within a work area with their craft people, with their workers, the probability of events go up. So we had clients that would actually record what the safety event was, and whether there was a supervisor there or not, what the size of their team was, when did it happen, et cetera, et cetera. So they came to us with a request on, can we give them the ratio of supervisor and worker in a specific geofenced area and try and correlate that with the number of alerts that happen. In this case, they're just gas alerts. And so this is the very final product of many weeks, if not months of work. So the zone that I'm showing here, the red zone, is the construction work area. On the x-axis, you have time. So you go from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., which is the entire workday. On the y-axis, you have this value, which we think is a leading indicator, the ratio of foreman to craft. When that ratio drops to 0, that means there's no supervisors in that little area. And when that ratio goes up, that means that you have enough supervisors. We found that at least in one of those days, when the ratio drops to 0, as in the supervisor leaves that area, we have the highest concentration of alerts. Now, I wouldn't be a data scientist if I would say that this just proves everything and this is a leading indicator. We're still collecting data to have very many days of this happening and then analyze it more. But at least the preliminary results show that if the supervisors are not in a specific zone with their workers, the probability of a safety event occurring gets higher. So this entire process is a partnership that we do with a lot of our clients. We call that the division Blackline Vision, and we try to transform your business using data. We bring data sources together and try to prove or disprove your hypothesis, try to make you safer, try to make you more productive. The entire goal of the division is to enable data-driven problem solving. At Blackline, we would like to be the hub for all of your data. You bring all of your data, we analyze it, we try and reach your KPIs, and we try to, again, prove or disprove the theories that you might have. And if you don't have any theories, maybe we sit down and discuss what we've seen in other clients that are in the same industry as you. So feel free to come meet our team. We have 10 plus years of experience in the safety and the cloud. Everything's connected. We've won a whole bunch of awards. We just got 3 delivered for our analytics platform and Blackline Vision, if you want to check them out at our analytics booth. And we are the first cellular and satellite connected device. That's it. Thank you.